Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Beachboxx. And what is the Beachboxx? It's a portable locker you can take everywhere. So you can also take it to the beach, but you can also take it wherever. It's pretty strong, it's ABS, it's a hard plastic, and it feels really sturdy, really strong. You won't have a doubt that this will keep your valuables safe. You got the logo of the Beachboxx on the front, and you got the 4-digit lock here. You got these two holes, we will talk about these later. I set the code to 0000, it's a 4-digit lock. So let's open it up and check inside. Okay, as you can see, this is the inside. Yeah, you got a little bit of cushioning on the inside, so you don't have to worry about damaging your valuables. Yeah, you got this cable, which is pretty important, and you got this little thingy, which is also pretty important. But let's first talk about the lock. Setting up the lock is actually very easy. You got this A over here and this B over there. Slide the button over here to the B. Set the digit on the front of the Beachboxx, so just like how you would use it. When it's the number you want, slide this thingy, the button, to the A, and it's all set up. So that's pretty easy, and it works. Okay, so on the inside we had this little cable. So what is it for? It is to actually lock your Beachboxx to something you want. So for example, to your beach lounge chair. As earlier we said, we had these two locks. So you click it in, you put it around the beach chair or whatever, and you click this one in. And it's stuck and you can't remove it. So how do you remove it? With this thingy, slide it to the right. Right one will loose, slide it to the left one will go loose. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So all in all, it works, it's a nice product, it's stubborn, I don't think it will break very fast. The only thing we have left is the pricing, and the pricing is at this moment around 40 euros for this edition. This is the first edition. You also got a newer second edition which got retractable cable, so you won't have to remove it yourself, but to be honest, that didn't seem like a bonus to me, and it was, well, like 30 euros more expensive. So all in all, I like the product a lot. It's sturdy, it looks good. Also, actually, can easily take it traveling. Just took it to Mexico, and it worked out like a charm. It's also a really good item for solo travelers because you can leave your valuables at the beach and won't have to worry about anyone stealing them because, well, you might have hooked it up on a palm tree or something. So all in all, as you noticed, I like this product a lot. This, my friends, is a 5-star product. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And check you later.